Hey, what's going on, guys? So, finally arrived the MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M3. This is the base model. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, 512, the M3 chip, 14-inch. So let's get this thing unboxed. I know there's a lot of controversy when it comes to this particular model only having 8 gigabytes of RAM. But honestly, I'm a retiree. I don't need RAM like that. I'm not a gamer. I don't do any type of web development. I'm not in IT. As a retiree, this is more than enough. So let's take a quick look at this, and then I'll compare it to my 2019 MacBook Pro that has the touch bar. So got the space gray. Let's take that and move it to the side real quick. So you do get the nice braided cable that's also space gray. You get paperwork nobody ever looks at, because if you had a Mac, you know how it works. And then you get the charging brick, which I believe is a 70-watt charging brick. So I've watched enough of these videos. I know you get the Apple stickers, but who the hell used those? I've never used them. So let's put this back. You do have to give credit to Apple. They do have nice packaging. Okay, so that's those two. So here's the star of the show. You know what's crazy? I saw somebody unbox their MacBook with a knife. And I'm like, dude, you do know they have pull tabs for a reason, right? And there we are. That's about, there it is right there. Let me grab my 2019. So here is my 2019 MacBook Pro, rounded off corners. Now with the square corners, it is much bigger than that one. Check it out. It's not that much bigger, but it's much thicker for sure than that one. And I got this turned around, put it the right way. Okay, so yeah, big difference from 2019 to 2023. So you know, when you take this lid off and open it up, it automatically comes on. So clean as the screen will ever be. There it was. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go set this thing up, and I may come back a little bit later, but I got to go through the setup process. But just to give you guys an idea, so this is the one with the touch bar from 2019, and no touch bar, complete function row. You do have a physical fingerprint, where that one was part of the touch bar. Trackpad seems to be about the same size. Keys look a little different. I do keep this little sleeve on here to protect it. I'll probably get one for this one. I do all my Apple devices that way. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing set up, guys, and I'll be back in a few days and try to compare, see if there's much of a difference. The reason why I got a new one is because this one is telling me that the battery is going to need to be replaced. So instead of just getting a battery, I decided to go ahead, spend the money, and go ahead and get a new one with the new screen, new battery, everything. I got 5 years, almost 6 years out of this, so I can't really complain. But all right, guys, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.